Hey everyone, and welcome. So, if you've designed pretty much anything for the internet, you've probably used Canva. But what if I told you you're probably only using like 10% of what it can actually do? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the AI engine that's turning Canva from a tool you use into a partner that helps you create. Right, so for most of us, Canva means templates. And yeah, it's got an amazing library of them. But that's really only half the picture now. See, it's quietly become something way more powerful, an AI co-creator. It's a partner that doesn't just give you a starting point, it actually helps you build from the ground up. You know, this quote just nails it. It really is like using your smartphone just to make calls. You'd be totally ignoring the amazing camera, all the apps, the GPS, everything that makes it so powerful. Well, it's the same deal with Canva. If you're only using the templates, you're missing out on all the best stuff. So where is all this magic hiding? Well, it's all packed into something called Magic Studio. And the key to unlocking it all is that little purple sparkle icon. I bet you've seen it popping up in your designs, that little sparkle. That's your gateway to a whole new world of AI tools. Okay, first up, let's talk about writing. We have all been there, right? Staring at that blinking cursor on a blank page, just hoping for inspiration to strike? Well, Magic Write is here to make sure that never has to happen again. Think of it as your own personal AI writing assistant. And you know what the best part is? It's not some separate app you have to open in another tab. No, it's built right into your Canva design. So whether you need a catchy headline, a quick paragraph for a presentation, or even just a summary of a big block of text, you can do it right there, on the spot. And getting started is, seriously, it's so easy. You just open any design, pop in a text box, and you'll see that little sparkle icon for Magic Write show up. Just click it, type in what you're looking for, and boom, you're off. It's a simple little process that takes, maybe a few seconds? And this is where it gets really practical. I mean, just imagine you're running a sale. Instead of spending 20 minutes trying to come up with clever captions, you just give Magic Write a simple prompt, just like this one for a Diwali sale. In seconds, you get 5 different creative options to choose from. Seriously, think about the time that just saved you. All right, so your words are looking good. Your copy's sorted. But what about the actual design itself? Well, this is where an incredible tool called Magic Design comes in, and honestly, it completely changes the game. So forget about endlessly scrolling through thousands of generic templates trying to find one that fits. Magic Design starts with your stuff. You give it one of your images, and the AI analyzes everything, the colors, the style, the content, and then it generates custom templates just for you. This isn't just about picking a color. It's about creating something that feels like your brand, instantly. And the process? You're not going to believe how simple this is. You start right from the Canva homepage. You upload a single photo of your product, your event, whatever, and well, that's pretty much it. The AI just takes over and presents you with a whole collection of custom-made, fully editable designs. It's incredible. I mean, for a small business owner or a creator, this is huge. It's basically like having a personal designer on call 24/7. It spits out professional, on-brand posts in a flash, making sure everything you create looks sleek and consistent. And all of that just from one photo. Okay, so we've got AI for writing, AI for design, but what about the pictures themselves? The final piece of the puzzle. Well, Magic Studio gives you they're basically photo editing superpowers that used to require some pretty complex and expensive software. All right, so these 2 tools are just amazing. First, you've got Magic Eraser, which, does exactly what it sounds like. It removes anything you don't want in a photo. Poof, gone. Then you have Magic Edit, which is all about transformation. This is where you can change or replace objects just by typing what you want. Let me give you a couple of real-world examples. Let's say you took that perfect photo on your trip to Goa, but oh no, someone walked into the background. Magic Eraser? They're gone, just like that. Or maybe you want to show a product in different colors, but don't want to do a whole new photo shoot. With Magic Edit, you just type change handbag to blue, and you just watch it happen. So, when you step back and look at all of this together, it's pretty clear, right? That old definition of Canva as just a template library, it just doesn't fit anymore. This is so much more. It's a full-blown, AI-powered creative suite. And look, the whole point here isn't for AI to replace your creativity. Not at all. It's designed to be your co-creator. It's there to handle all the boring, tedious, time-consuming parts of design so that you have more time and brainpower to focus on your big ideas and what you really want to say. So now I've got to turn the question over to you. After seeing what's possible with Magic Rate, Magic Design, and those incredible photo editing tools, which one of these features are you most excited to jump in and try out on your next project? I really hope this quick tour of Canva's Magic Studio has got you feeling inspired to get out there and create something. If you want to explore more AI tools and insights just like this, be sure to visit www.multigyan.in. And of course, if you enjoy this explainer, a like and a subscribe to the Multigyan channel would be absolutely amazing. Thanks so much for watching.